In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Nordstrom promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser and here go to google.com and in the search box just enter Nordstrom promo code. It moves you to that page where you can find a lot of different websites that contains promo code. You can enter some of them where you can check that promo code. As you can see here is 50 promo codes. You can scroll down to see them all, but usually the best offers are on the first position. For example, with that promo code you can get up to 60% off for shoes. Now there you can hit on that promo code to move to Nordstrom.com and there you can make your purchases, and once you are done and ready to pay the money, just don't forget to check if the promo code is applied. If for some reason the promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site or to another site and try to use another promo code. That's all about how to find the best Nordstrom promo codes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.